shy, yeah. Only 2.1 kilometers of steps. Huh? I don't know whether that says I've climbed 400 meters or there's 400 meters to go, or 137. Anyway, Mia is up there with no end in sight. Okay, excuse the out of breath. What's this marker, Danny? 500 meters to go, or we've climbed?
I don't know idea.
We've climbed, yeah. What's that? 1,370? Oh my lord. The guy in front was blasting music out all the way up, which was much fun to listen to. Last few hundred meters, that was grueling, I tell you. That was vertical. Here we go. No, it's not at the top. Thought I was at the top there, only to find not at the top. There's the top. So we're still climbing. Hopefully we'll be able to see the beautiful flowers.
Many months later.
I made it. Made it, Mia.
I've been here for like 20 minutes.
Don't talk crap.
I have.
So mum's coming. We're at the top. This is finally the top.